This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, oven, LP detector, microwave, refrigerator, TV antenna, smoke detector, Skylight, leveling jacks, stove top burner, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is 5,857 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.